Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a truck that's got everyone talking, the 2026 Dodge Ram vintage pickup, a nod to classic style with modern muscle. This full-size beast blends retro vibes with cutting-edge tech and performance, and I'm beyond excited to break it all down for you. We're going to cover every angle: exterior, interior, performance, pricing, and some suggestions for potential buyers. So grab a seat, maybe a coffee, and let's roll into this in-depth review of the 2026 Dodge Ram vintage pickup. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our automotive deep dives. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the exterior, starting with the front. The 2026 Dodge Ram vintage pickup is a head-turner, no question. The front fascia screams bold with a retro-inspired grille that pays homage to the classic Dodge trucks of the 70s and 80s. It's got that massive crosshair grille design, but it's been modernized with sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp, aggressive look. The chrome accents are tastefully done, not too flashy, but enough to give it that vintage swagger. The hood has subtle power bulges, hinting at the beastly engine underneath, and the available LED walk-up animation projects a Ram logo onto the ground as you approach, which is such a cool touch. It's like the truck's rolling out the red carpet for you. The front bumper is beefy, with integrated fog lamps and a skid plate on higher trims, ready to tackle off-road adventures. Overall, the front is a perfect blend of nostalgic charm and modern flair. You can't help but stare. Moving to the side profile, this truck is all about presence. The 2026 Ram vintage pickup sits tall, especially on the available 22-inch aluminum wheels, which look absolutely massive. The body lines are clean but muscular, with a retro-inspired two-tone paint option that's a real standout. Think classic combos like black and gold or cream and brown. The side mirrors are power folding and heated with available chrome or body color caps to match the vintage aesthetic. You'll also notice the iconic Ram badging along the doors with a subtle vintage script that sets this model apart. The wheel arches are pronounced, giving it that rugged stance, and the available Rambox cargo management system adds lockable storage built into the bedsides, complete with a 115-volt outlet. Whether you're hauling gear or just cruising, the side profile says this truck means business, but it's got style for days. Now let's check out the back. The rear of the 2026 Ram vintage pickup keeps the retro-modern theme going strong. The tailgate is a work of art, featuring bold lettering that's impossible to miss. You can opt for the multifunction tailgate, which splits 60/40ths and swings open like barn doors, or drops down, traditionally super practical for loading heavy gear. The LED taillights have a distinctive C-shaped design, tying in with the front lighting for a cohesive look. The rear bumper is sturdy, with available sensors for parking assist and a step for easy bed access. If you go for the Black Express package, you get blacked-out badging and 20-inch black wheels, giving the rear a stealthy, menacing vibe. The bed itself comes in two lengths, 5'7" or 6'4", and the available tonneau cover keeps your cargo secure. It's a rear end that's functional but doesn't skimp on personality. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Ram vintage pickup is where things get seriously impressive. Open the door, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury SUV than a pickup. The top-tier tungsten trim is the star here, with quilted leather seats in an exclusive indigo and sea salt color scheme that's just stunning. The front seats are 24-way power adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Yes, massage. You're basically driving a spa on wheels. The dashboard is wrapped in premium materials with real wood and carbon fiber accents, and the suede headliner adds a touch of elegance. The centerpiece is the massive 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen, which is one of the largest in its class. It's responsive, supports split-screen apps, and integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a 10.3-inch passenger-side display for navigation or entertainment, plus a 12.3-inch digital driver cluster. Add in the available 23-speaker Klipsch audio system, and you've got concert hall sound quality. Storage is everywhere: huge center console, door pockets, and underseat compartments. The crew cab offers tons of legroom, and the available reclining rear seats make long trips a breeze. The only nitpick: some lower trims have plastic-heavy touch points, but even those feel solid. This interior is a game-changer for pickups. Now, let's talk performance. Because the 2026 Ram vintage pickup doesn't mess around, the Big news is the return of the 5.7-liter Hemi V8, pumping out 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. After a brief hiatus in 2025, it's back by popular demand and available on trims like the Bighorn, Laramie, and Limited, if you want. More grunt, the new 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane inline-6 is the one to beat, with two outputs, 420 horsepower or a monstrous 540 horsepower in the high-output version, paired with 521 pound-feet of torque. That's best-in-class six-cylinder power, folks. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with rear-wheel or four-wheel drive options. The ride quality is unreal, thanks to the coil spring rear suspension smoother than any other full-size truck. Off-road. The HO trim shines with 35-inch tires, Bilstein shocks, and a 1-inch raised ride height. Towing maxes out at 12,750 pounds, which is solid but trails rivals like the Ford F-150 fuel economy. The V6 base engine hits up to 20 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, while the high-output inline-6 drops to 15/21 mpg for eco-conscious buyers. The Rumpcharger plug-in hybrid and the all-electric Ram 1500 Rev are coming, with the REV boasting up to 500 miles of range and 14,000 pounds of towing. This truck's got power, versatility, and efficiency options for every need. Pricing is where things get interesting. The 2026 Ram Vintage pickup starts at around $42,400 for the base tradesman trim, which is a great value for a work-ready truck. With a 12-inch touchscreen and the 3.6-liter V6, the Bighorn and Lone Star trims, starting around $51,500. Add more features like the Hemi V8 option for $1,200, the Laramie and Rebel trims push into the mid-$50,000s, while the luxurious Limited and Longhorn start closer to $60,000, the Top Dog Tungsten trim. That'll set you back around $89,000, but it's loaded with every bell and whistle. The RHO, built for performance, sits around $70,000. The Black Express package, with its dark styling, adds about $995 to select trims. Compared to rivals, the Ram's pricing is competitive, especially given the interior quality and tech. However, if towing is your priority, you might find better value in a Ford or Chevy Duty. So, what are my suggestions for buyers? If you're after that vintage look with modern comforts, the Bighorn or Lone Star with the two-tone paint and Hemi V8 is a sweet spot, great power and style without breaking the bank. For luxury lovers, the Tungsten is unmatched, but it's pricey, so make sure you need all that opulence. Off-road enthusiasts should go straight for the RHO. It's a beast on trails, but still comfy on pavement. If you're budget conscious, the Tradesman or Express trims deliver solid capability for the price. One thing to watch: some owners of the 2025 model reported issues with the Inland 6, like check engine lights, so do your research and test drive thoroughly. Also, if you need max towing, consider rivals like the F-150 or Silverado, which edge out the Ram in that department. Finally, keep an eye out for the Rumpcharger or REV if you want to go green. The electric version is shaping up to be a game changer. Alright, folks, that's the 2026 Dodge Ram Vintage pickup in all its glory. This truck nails the balance of retro cool and modern tech, with a jaw-dropping interior, versatile performance, and a look that demands attention. Whether you're hauling, cruising, or hitting the trails, there's a trim for you. Sure, it's not the towing champ and reliability needs to be proven, but the ride quality and cabin luxury are tough to beat. What do you think? Would you rock this vintage-inspired beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which trim you're eyeing. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a like, share the video, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.